Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. This one is gray. Underneath the hood is a 3.2 V6 with 271 horsepower and 231 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch black wheels. Trail rated 4x4 badging on the side. Cherokee on the door. Black leather with red stitching. Around 4x4 Trailhawk badging, trailer hitch. Opening up the tailgate, we've got a power lift gate, clean set of all-season floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats. Keyless entry, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. A push-start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, USB ports, different driving functions, 9-speed automatic transmission. This Jeep has 83,383 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Jeep Trailhawk, visit us at feldmanimports.com.